Does your phone, laptop, or tablet feel more chaotic than your backpack? Imagine walking back into school with a clean slate, not just in your notebooks, but across every single screen. Today, I'm sharing my complete, step-by-step digital declutter routine so you can start the year fresh, organized, and focused. Whether you're dragging your heels or racing into a new semester, digital clutter can hold you back. A messy digital space makes everything harder, finding files, focusing, and even feeling motivated. Let's reclaim control with mindful digital balance and intentional engagement strategies developed to reset your tech life before those assignments start piling up. Start by grabbing every device you use, phone, tablet, laptop. Check where the digital clutter lives. Photos, videos, random downloads, old assignments, duplicate files, apps, and notifications you ignore. Ask yourself, do I need this? Begin by deleting anything you don't want to bring into the new semester. Create dedicated folders for each course, project, and personal activity. Move stray documents into their new homes. Rename files for easier searching. Use dates, course numbers, project names. Use cloud storage for easy access and backup. This way, when you need that math assignment or essay draft, you won't have to dig through digital chaos. Inbox anxiety is real. Unsubscribe from newsletters and promos you don't read. Use filters to send important emails to separate folders. Archive everything from last semester. You'll keep the memories, but not the mess. Delete or organize texts and group chats so your phone isn't overwhelmed with notifications. Ask yourself, which apps support my goals and which distract me? Delete unused apps, especially time wasters. Move essential school apps and productivity tools to your home screen. Set notification preferences to limit constant interruptions. Intentional app management is key to digital minimalism and balanced productivity. Your browser is your main classroom. Clean out old tabs and bookmarks from last year. Create folders for research topics, assignments, and extracurriculars. Install extensions for focus, such as ad blockers or productivity monitors. Balanced productivity starts with a simplified browser setup. Set mindful digital boundaries to ensure you're in control, not your screen. Schedule tech-free times during study blocks. Use screen time tracking to stay present and avoid distraction. Practice mindful scrolling. Pause, reflect, and engage intentionally. Tech-life balance is just as important as organizing your physical desk. Decluttering isn't a one-time event. Schedule a weekly digital self-check. Delete, organize, and reflect. Celebrate your progress. It's about small wins, and authentic living offline experiences matter. So make space to be present, balanced, and truly connected. Quick stat. Studies show that students who maintain an organized digital space reduce stress and boost productivity by up to 30%. Want to see these results yourself? Revisit these steps anytime you sense screen stress creeping back in. If you found this digital declutter routine helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share. Because this year we're staying mindful, balanced, and present. Remember, life happens offline too.